Here at Isomist we are proud to launch our newly developed Biozorb CBD Carrier solution for 2021. Our team worked closely with late friend and colleague Thomas Chapman, former World Health Organization and British Pharmacopoeia. We have now completed work on our significantly enhanced evolution of the drug delivery system he used when developing Certifix. Biozorb is the only pharmaceutically prepared product that is formulated to GMP standards using only naturally derived and organic compounds, allowing flexibility in manufacturing with unparalleled CBD concentrations of 1000 mg per milliliter. Cloud spray technology provides a submicron particle atomized cloud discharge. Permeation and absorption technology means a bioequivalent of 4:1 against CBD oil tinctures. Access to our unique technology essentially provides the ultimate base for the manufacture of a market-leading sublingual spray product range for your business, without the need for nano-emulsified CBD. In the first quarter of 2021 we are reaching out to America, Europe, Asia and Australia-based businesses in the following sectors to offer the opportunity to collaborate on this exciting journey. CBD manufacture, CBD wholesale and retail, government healthcare, private healthcare, medical suppliers. The versatility of our product and the experience of our manufacturing team means we are more than happy to work with your vision for your unique product lineup. Formulations can include customized terpene loading, cannabinoid loading, addition of vitamins and minerals, addition of herbs and oil extracts. We pride ourselves on developing premium pharmaceutically applicable cannabinoid and supplement transmucosal sprays that deliver ultimate value and usability to the end user. Our sprays extend to 15,000 mg. 100 mg of rapid absorbing, bioavailable CBD is delivered in just one single spray actuation. Your finished premium spray product range will echo and leverage the USPs of Biozorb that will propel you ahead of your competitors. Rapid absorption, high bioavailability, usability, accurate dosing, pharmaceutically prepared. Isomist UK aims to be an industry leader, supplying all relevant sectors globally with seamless formulation, logistical and manufacturing support. We look forward to helping you transform your business and align with the rapidly emerging medical requirements for cannabinoid therapy. We hope to partner with a select few businesses in carefully targeted geographical regions. You are more than welcome to contact us to discuss how we can collaborate and order your complimentary Biozorb test kit.